The juice that comes in the pre-filled JUUL Pods sucks. Are you stuck with shitty juice in your JUUL? You, my friends, are not. With a little bit of effort, you can actually pop them open and fill them with your favorite pod juice. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how. Welcome back, I'm Sherlock Holmes, and on this channel I do reviews like this, tutorials, tips and tricks, vlogs, live shows and podcasts, all kinds of cool stuff. So if you're new here, definitely consider subscribing. I am not a huge fan of the juice that comes in the JUUL Pods. They're expensive, the juice sucks, you're limited to what they offer. Not to worry, you can save yourself money and use the juice that you love. The pods are not meant to be refilled, but you can do it. So I'm going to show you how to use your favorite juice by refilling those little pods. Let's jump right into it. Here's our JUUL, and I do have an empty pod here. And we have the empty cartridge. It's really simple. This black cap is what needs to come off. And I don't know if you can see on camera, but I've done it a few times. Essentially, all you're doing is prying that off. But the little trick is when you get a flathead screwdriver or a knife, you want to not stab yourself with it. You want to get under it and just pull it up so it's up over that plastic clamp there. And you want to keep that one off as you go to the other side and do the same thing. Once you have the black cap off, you take out this rubber piece here. Make sure you don't lose this because this does need to go back in. Then you just grab your favorite salted juice. I'm using Hometown Hero Red Dream, 20 milligram. You just fill it up. See that line? You don't want to fill it past there because that's where that black rubber piece comes down. I'll fill it up to about the line, and then make sure you put this on the right way as well. Pop that on. You don't want to push it all the way in there, just enough so it's right back where it needs to go. And then put your cap back on and you're ready to go. It's much easier once you've done it a few times because that plastic lip isn't so tight, but you just need to work at it. And then once you've done it the first time, that plastic kind of loosens up for you and it's much easier to do it again after that. I would just give this a minute to soak up and then you're ready to roll. There we go. Now we have our own juice in our JUUL pod. As you can see, not a very difficult process at all. Like sex, the first time is the most difficult. After the first time, it kind of loosens up those clamps there on the side, so it becomes very easy to pop off. It is easy to break that plastic clip, so just keep that in mind as you're doing it, and over time it will bow out and might give you some problems. I personally will keep doing it until the coil dies. Unlike the cartridges or the pods from other pod systems, I have not found a way to re-wick this device, but I will be doing videos for other pod systems, how to refill them, how to re-wick them, so stay tuned for that. I'll have links in the description to where you can purchase the JUUL or Hometown Hero Salted, which in my opinion is the best pod juice that you will find anywhere. Hammer that like button if you liked this video. Make sure you're subscribed and push the bell so you get notified when I post new stuff. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'm Sherlock Holmes, and I'll see you in the next video.